Hello everyone and welcome back to Real English with AK, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello Emily, hello everyone. It's wonderful to be with you today. We have a very exciting and important topic.
We really do, Paul. Today we're going to tackle what is probably the single biggest challenge and the most important breakthrough for every English learner.
That's right. Today we are going to solve a huge problem. We are going to unlock a superpower. The title of our episode is Stop Translating. Start Thinking in English.
This is the key. This is the secret door to fluency. When you start thinking directly in English, everything changes. You speak faster. You understand movies and podcasts instantly. You write emails without stress, and you feel truly confident.
Absolutely. But first, as always, we have a very small and very important job for our amazing listeners, for our Real English with AK family.
Yes, if you are new here and you want to learn English in a fun, easy, and powerful way, please subscribe to our channel. Click that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
And if you are already part of our family, please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps YouTube share our lessons with more amazing people like you. Okay, let's get started. Emily, let's begin by understanding the problem. Why is translating in your head such a big issue?
It's a great place to start, Paul. Let's imagine a very common situation. You are in a shop and you want to ask, where can I find the milk? If you are translating, your mind goes through a long process. First, you think the question in your native language. Then, you take each word and try to find the English equivalent. Where can I find the milk? You check the grammar. Is it where I can find or where can I find? Then you finally speak. This takes 5 or 10 seconds.
And in a real conversation, people don't wait 10 seconds. They might think you didn't understand the question, or they might just walk away. The conversation flow breaks. More than that, it's mentally exhausting. Your brain is doing double the work. It's like trying to drive a car by first looking at a map of your hometown, then converting every turn into the new city's map. It's slow, and you'll crash.
I love that analogy, Paul. It's exhausting, and it stops you from ever feeling fluent. Fluency isn't just about knowing many words. It's about speed and ease of thought. The goal is to connect the idea, or the picture, directly to the English phrase. You see the image of a supermarket and needing milk, and the sentence, where can I find the milk, just appears in your mind. No middle step, no translation.
Exactly. So how do we build this skill? How do we rewire our brains? It takes practice, but it's absolutely possible. We are going to give you a complete training plan today. Let's start with the foundation, creating direct connections.
Tip number 1, label your world. This is so simple but so powerful. Wherever you are right now, look around. Name everything you see in English. In your mind, just say the word. Window, computer screen, keyboard, coffee cup, phone, headphones, desk, chair, book. Don't think the word in your language first. Just see the object and say the English word in your mind.
Do this every single day. When you walk to the kitchen, fridge, sink, spoon, plate. When you are outside, car, tree, dog, cloud, bicycle. You are building a direct neural pathway between the object and the English word, bypassing your native language completely. This is step 1.
And if you don't know a word, look it up. See a weird part of your sink? Look up faucet or tap. Now, the next time you see it, you'll think faucet. Your vocabulary grows naturally from your real life.
Tip number 2, think in simple sentences. Now we move from single words to phrases. Describe what you are doing as you are doing it in present tense. Your inner voice should become your English practice partner. Right now, I am thinking. I am sitting on a chair. I am speaking into a microphone. I am looking at Emily. She is smiling. I feel happy. It doesn't have to be spoken aloud, just in your mind.
It can be incredibly basic. The phone is black. The coffee is hot. I am typing. My foot itches. I hear a bird. This is your running commentary on your own life. It forces you to use grammar structures like is, am, are, without overthinking them. You are practicing making sentences under zero pressure because no one is listening.
This is the key to building speed. You're not worried about mistakes. You're just linking actions and observations to language. Let's do a live practice for our listeners. Emily, describe what you did when you first woke up today using this method.
Okay, let me think in English. This morning, I opened my eyes. I turned off my alarm. I stretched my arms. I felt sleepy. I got out of bed. I walked to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth. The water was cold. I looked in the mirror. My hair was messy. See? Simple. Short sentences. I didn't plan a story. I just followed the movie in my head and described it.
Perfect. Listeners, please try this right now. Pause the video if you want. Think of your morning. Just say 3 or 4 simple sentences in your mind. I woke up. I drank water. I checked my phone. That's it. You are thinking in English.
Tip number 3. Use flashcards with pictures only. This is a game changer for vocabulary study. When you use traditional flashcards with your language on one side and English on the other, you reinforce the translation habit. Your brain learns, okay, casa equals house. Instead, use a picture of a house, or better yet, a picture of your house. On the back, just the word house. Your brain links the image directly to the English word. There are great apps like Anki or Quizlet where you can make digital picture flashcards.
For abstract words, it's trickier, but you can use situations or emotions. For the word freedom, use a picture of a bird flying or someone celebrating. For discuss, use a picture of 2 people talking intensely. You are teaching your brain the concept, not a translation.
Tip number 4. Immerse yourself in comprehensible input. You've heard immersion before, but if you watch a very advanced political debate, you'll just get frustrated and your brain will shut down. The key is input that you mostly understand, maybe 70 to 80%. This is called comprehensible input. Watch children's cartoons. They have clear visuals, simple language, and repetitive stories. Watch YouTube videos for learners like this one with subtitles. Listen to podcasts made for your level.
The goal here is not to translate. The goal is to understand the meaning from the context, the images, and the tone of voice. You are training your brain to process English as meaning, not as a code to be deciphered. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Listen to a simple story and try to see the movie in your head. Don't pause to look up every word. Just try to get the main idea.
Tip number 5. Have a daily English only zone. This is advanced training, but you can start small. Designate a specific time or activity where you promise yourself you will only think in English. It could be during your 10-minute morning coffee. It could be during your commute. It could be while you're cooking dinner. During this time, your inner monologue is 100% in English. If you don't know a word, describe it with other words you know. The thing I use to flip eggs. A turner, a spatula. Yes, spatula. You are problem solving in English. This builds incredible mental agility.
That is such powerful advice. Now let's address some common challenges people face. Challenge 1. My mind goes blank. I can't think of any words. Solution. Go back to tip number 1. Just name objects. Don't force sentences. Your brain needs to build the word network first. It's okay.
Challenge 2. I make too many grammar mistakes in my head. Solution. Ignore them at first. The goal of thinking is not perfect grammar. It's fluid thought. If you think, yesterday I go to shop, that's fine. The connection between the past event and the thought is what matters. You can correct the grammar later. First, build the highway, then paint the lines.
Challenge 3. It feels weird and artificial. Solution. Of course it does. You're using a new part of your brain in a new way. Anything new feels weird. Brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand feels weird. But if you do it for 30 days, it starts to feel normal. Give it time. Promise yourself you'll try it for 1 month.
Now, let's move to some more advanced techniques for those who are practicing. Advanced Technique 1. The stream of consciousness business journal. Get a notebook or a digital document. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Now, write in English everything that comes into your mind. Don't stop, don't edit, don't correct spelling. Just write. I am tired. I hear a fan. I wonder what to eat for lunch. Pizza sounds good, but I should eat vegetables. My friend Maria called yesterday. This trains your brain to produce English thoughts in a continuous flow.
Advanced Technique 2. Mental Storytelling and Planning. When you are on the bus, don't just daydream. Tell yourself a story in English. A man gets on the bus. He is wearing a red hat. He looks nervous. He is holding a small box. Or plan your entire week in English. On Monday, I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I need to prepare the report. After work, I will go to the gym. You are using English as a tool for complex thought, which is the ultimate goal.
Advanced Technique 3. Debate with yourself. Choose a simple topic. Is coffee better than tea? Now argue both sides in your mind in English. Coffee is better because it has more caffeine. It helps me wake up. But tea is better because it is calming. It has many flavors. This forces you to search for vocabulary and structure arguments on the fly. It's fantastic practice.
Now, Emily, let's do a big interactive exercise with our audience. We'll give them a scenario and guide them through thinking in English about it.
Great idea. Okay, listeners, this is your practice time. We are going to describe a picture. Imagine a busy kitchen. A woman is cooking. A man is setting the table. A little girl is trying to reach a cookie jar. A dog is sleeping on the floor. There is a window with sunshine coming in.
We will guide you. First, just name objects. Pause and think. Stove, table, plate, cookie jar, dog, floor, window, sunshine. Just words.
Now, simple sentences. Describe what is happening. A woman is cooking. She is stirring a pot. A man is setting the table. He is putting down forks. A little girl is reaching for the cookie jar. She is standing on her toes. The dog is sleeping. The sun is shining. Try it now.
Now add more detail. What do you think is happening? Create a story. The family is preparing dinner. The woman is making soup. The man is helping her. The little girl is sneaking a cookie before dinner. The dog is tired from playing. It is a happy scene. Let your imagination work in English.
This is how you build the skill, layer by layer, from words to sentences to stories. And you can do this with any photo, any scene from a movie, any moment in your real life.
Let's talk about the incredible benefits you will see if you stick with this. First, your listening comprehension will skyrocket. Why? Because you are no longer hearing English, translating to your language, understanding, then formulating a response in your language, then translating back to English. You are hearing and understanding directly. The lag disappears.
Second, your speaking fluency will transform. Words will come to you faster because you are not searching through two languages. You will start to have those moments where an English phrase just pops into your head. That's the magic moment. That's when you know the connection is direct.
Third, you will start to dream in English. This is a true sign your brain is adopting the language. You might even find yourself counting or cursing when you stub your toe. In English, it becomes a natural part of your thinking toolbox.
Now let's simulate a Q&A segment. We often get questions about this topic from our students. Question 1. How long will it take before I can think in English automatically? Answer. It depends on your practice. If you do these exercises for 15 to 20 minutes daily, you might see the first changes in a few weeks. The inner monologue might switch to English for simple things. Full automatic thinking for complex topics takes longer, maybe months. But every day you practice, you are getting closer.
Question 2. Should I stop learning grammar and vocabulary? Absolutely not. Grammar and vocabulary are the bricks and mortar. Thinking in English is the blueprint that tells you how to assemble the house quickly and efficiently. You need both. Learning grammar helps your thoughts be more accurate. Learning new words gives you more tools to think with, but always try to learn new words with pictures or definitions in simple English, not translations.
Question 3. I live in a non-English speaking country. How can I immerse myself? You have the internet. Change the language of your phone to English. Follow English social media accounts about your hobbies. Watch Netflix shows in English with English subtitles. Listen to English radio stations online. Create an English bubble around you. Your English-only zone is your personal immersion island.
Let's do a final recap of our complete training plan to stop translating and start thinking in English. Number 1, label your world. Name objects around you in English all day. Number 2, simple sentence monologue. Describe your actions and observations in present tense. Number 3, picture flashcards. Learn new vocabulary by connecting images to English words. Number 4, comprehensible input. Consume easy English content, cartoons, learner videos for 10 to 30 minutes daily, focusing on understanding, not translating. Number 5, daily English zone. Designate a short time where your internal thoughts are 100% in English. Number 6, advanced practice. Do stream of consciousness writing, mental storytelling, and self-debates in English.
Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Your thoughts will be messy, simple, and full of mistakes at first. That is 100% okay. That is the process. Every time you have a direct thought in English, you are building a new road in your mind. Soon, it will be a highway.
Now your homework from us today is this. In the comments below, we want you to do 2 things. First, write 3 simple sentences describing the room you are in right now. Use the label your world and simple sentence techniques. Example, my room is quiet. I see a blue wall. My computer is on. Second, tell us 1 small activity you will make your English-only zone this week. Example, I will think in English while I take my morning shower.
We read every single comment. We love to see you practice, and we often give feedback. This is your safe space to use your English.
Thinking in English is the final key to unlocking fluency. It will change your relationship with the language. It will make English a part of you, not just a subject you study.
If you found this lesson helpful, please share it with a friend who is also on this journey. Let's build a community of people who think in English.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing. Be patient with yourself. And remember, every thought in English is a step towards fluency.
Subscribe to Real English with Ake for more lessons that make English easy and fun. Until next time,
Goodbye, everyone.
bye-bye.